What a beautiful sunset. I'm actually up here on our roof at the dryer vent. What I really want to capture, other than the fact that it's the wrong kind of vent, is the sound that's coming out of it. Hopefully you can hear the gurgling and the muffled sound of the dryer spinning. So there is standing water in here, and that's why moisture is coming back into the dryer and it's not fully drying. I got some of the lint out, but it doesn't seem to be the issue. Beautiful up here though. During this blue hour, all of our roof lines and our property is quite gorgeous and otherwise peaceful. Up here on the Anchor Family Farm.